All right, imagine this. You're just chilling in a folding camping chair, relaxing in a dry, grassy field, looking all calm and peaceful, and then boom! A massive black Ram TR-style truck suddenly launches and jumps right behind you like something straight out of an action movie. Yeah, that edit is going crazy on social media right now. And guess what? You can totally make it yourself using AI, just a selfie, and 2 super simple prompts. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Step 1, prepare the prompts. To create this pickup car jump trend, you only need 2 prompts, 1 image prompt and 1 video prompt. That's it, super simple. I've already prepared both prompts on my website, and you can find the link in the description below. Just head over there and copy them so you're ready for the next steps. Step 2, generate the image. Now we're going to create the base image first. Start by copying the image prompt from my website. After that, go to the Imagine Art website. The link is also in the description. Once you're inside, open the image generation tool and upload your selfie. Make sure your photo is clear and well lit so the AI can process it properly. Next, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Then tap the settings icon and choose the model Nano Banana Pro. There are other models you can experiment with if you want slightly different results, but this one works really well for this trend. For the image size, set it to Portrait 916, since that format is perfect for TikTok and Instagram Reels. I usually set the batch generation to 4 images, so I can compare results and choose the best one. After that, pick your preferred resolution. You can go with 1K, 2K, or even 4K if you want super sharp details. Once everything is set, just hit Generate and wait a few seconds while the AI works its magic. When it's done, download the image you like the most. That's your base for the video. Step 3, generate the video. Now comes the fun part, turning that image into a cinematic action scene. While you're still inside Imagine Art, switch to the video generation tool. Upload the image you just downloaded. Then copy and paste the video prompt from my website into the prompt field. After that, open the settings and choose the model VO 3.1. Just like before, there are other models you can try, but this one gives really smooth and dramatic motion. For the duration, you can choose between 4, 6, or 8 seconds. I personally like 6 seconds because it feels just right, not too short, not too long. Then select your resolution. You can go with 720p, 1080p, or 4K. I usually choose 1080p since it gives a great balance between quality and rendering time. Finally, click Generate and wait a few minutes while the AI works its magic. And just like that, you've got yourself a viral pickup truck jump edit that looks insanely cinematic. Seriously, it feels like something straight out of a Hollywood action scene, but it's just you, a selfie, and 2 prompts. If you want the prompts and the Imagine Art link, check the description right now. And who knows, maybe your video will be the next one that goes viral.